Essential transformation. We portray how psychology and spirituality both confirm the trajectory of human development. In different developmental frameworks, the field of psychology and spirituality intertwine harmoniously to illustrate the ongoing progression towards unity. This journey leads us towards a profound connection, merging with the ultimate reality, with our own being comprising mind, heart, and body, with fellow individuals and with the universe at large. It is widely acknowledged that the initial stage of our consciousness exhibits duality, while the later stage, or profound levels, manifests unity and non-duality. Advancing from one stage to another typically involves encountering some form of trauma, setback, or darkness. Consensus suggests that a phase of uncertainty is essential for attaining a deeper understanding. In today's world, it often feels like we are adrift, searching for meaning amid the turmoil of our surroundings and our own thoughts. Each individual is tasked with carving out their own purpose, starting from scratch with no guidance. This journey can be especially challenging in our limited time on Earth. In the era of postmodernity, we have consciously disregarded any notion of a shared collective interest or a significant cultural heritage. It's a solo quest without established support, making the process of self-discovery a complex one. Consequently, we feel ourselves compulsively replaying the identical cycles that lead to trauma, aggression, distress, lack of emotional growth, diminished self-worth, and untimely death. In order for our spirituality to be genuine, it is essential to have an internal experience rather than solely relying on external influences. In today's society, characterized by materialism and constant stimulation, we often allow others to shape our identity instead of tapping into our own inner resources. This process is not about individualism, but rather about accepting the paradoxical nature of looking within ourselves for authenticity. The essence of evolved spirituality lies in facilitating our inner transformation, urging us to shed our superficial self to unveil our true essence. Different faith traditions express this concept in their own ways. Shedding the facade of our constructed identity is vital for the emergence of our genuine self, radiant and liberated. This process forms the core of personal transformation, where spirituality and psychology intersect harmoniously. In our contemplative practice, we undergo a profound transformation by releasing our temporary selves, emotions, and thoughts to embrace the eternal and perfect reflection of the divine presence. Our entire being then serves as a vessel for embodying this deep connection with love, mirroring the gaze of grace to those around us and possessing an abundance to share with all. Life begins. For most of us, real life begins when we hit bottom and our belief system doesn't work anymore. Isn't it unfortunate that we have to experience gut-wrenching situations before we are likely to ask fundamental questions? Who am I? What am I doing here? What is this all about? If we are serious about these inquiries, the door that leads to our transformation will open. Transformation is a process of reframing our consciousness. It brings about a change in our belief system and in the way we perceive and respond to reality. Little by little, this transformation heals a lifetime of hurts and frees us from our self-destructive emotions. Once our pain is eased, we can participate in the healing of others. The revealed path is the way of pure faith. The divine light of faith becomes alive in us to the degree that we surrender ourselves to the present moment. We bring new dimensions to the situation, a state of spacious heart-openness, letting go, not grabbing. If we understand this, our spiritual journey becomes much easier.